International Institute of Digital Marketing is a global certifying body founded in the USA by several long-standing marketers. We have years of experience in business, marketing, and more, and have put forth our combined experience to develop International Institute of Digital Marketing. What's digital marketing all about? How do you reach customers? How does it differ from traditional media? And how can the new and old work together to create a watertight campaign that speaks its truth across any and every channel? This extensive, in-depth course takes you through all the basics, helps you to explore the buyer journey and stay rooted in place, keeping goals clear and attainable through perseverance and intelligent design. International Institute of Digital Marketing. Its Digital Marketing Master Course is for traditional marketers and marketing executives who want to play a sharp game, marketing managers and senior management, IT managers, small business owners, entrepreneurs, and anyone in marketing or business who wants to show the world what they can do. It is an introductory course to help bring you into the digital world and show you from start to finish what to expect and how to perform at the top of your game. The course is broken up into 3 sub-courses: Content Marketing Master, Marketing Strategy Master, and Paid Marketing Master. With the Content Marketing Master, you are shown how to create and tailor content to capture audiences in the digital age through visual means like images and videos, as well as blog posts and social media. With a Marketing Strategy Master, you are taught how to position yourself in the market, the essential foundational concepts of marketing digitally, and how to utilize data and analytics. With Paid Marketing Master, you're shown the basics of paid marketing, such as video and banner ads, search engine ads, and more. This was an International Institute of Digital Marketing informational video. To learn more, please visit www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org or subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more.